Hello everyone. Today we will make Miraculous ladybug kwami stickers. So let's start. First of all, we will take a white paper. Then we will start drawing kwamis. I am drawing pig daisy kwami. Okay, daisy is done. Now I will draw dragon long kwami. Now kwamis are laminated, so I will cut the kwamis. Be careful while using scissors. Daisy and long kwami are ready. I have made some more kwamis. Which one is your favorite? Please tell me in comment. If you like these beautiful kwami stickers, then please like, share and comment my video. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.